if muscle growth or building mass is one of the athlete's goals, protein is not the only thing that matters. Carbohydrates, I would argue, are just as important. So it's kind of thinking it as a bit of a building block to supporting the muscle cells growing. So typically during a training session, we would have used a set amount of glycogen. And so we need to replace that glycogen to support muscle cell turnover as well. So typically a plant protein is going to be a much slower absorption rate than a whey or a casein as well. And the rate of digestion is not as high as a whey-based product or a casein-based product as well. So typically it'll only be sort of 60 to 80% absorbed and over a couple of hours. So that's also important to understand if you're having a plant-based protein powder, is that it's not going to be completely digestible. It's not going to have a complete amino acid profile typically, and it is going to be a slower absorption rate.